Want to build your own calendar app in SwiftUI? In just a few weeks, I'm dropping a full step-by-step guide showing you how to create a calendar app using SwiftUI, SwiftData and MVVM. No shortcuts, just clean architecture and professional techniques. So the actual app that we'll be creating is this app, as you can see on the screen. It allows the user to create a new task by clicking on one of the dates. And then you can add your task with the priority and the task name. The information is stored to SwiftData. You can also filter or search for a task. So just say if I entered like shopping or O, it displays all the tasks that contains the word O. For example, mow the lawn or shopping. I can also delete a task. And as you can see, there's a task that's displayed for the 31st of March. So at the moment it has 1, but if I add a new task to that same date, it will increment to 2. I just add a new task. I just call it buy a new SwiftUI book. As you can see, the value has been incremented from 1 to 2. So there's 2 tasks assigned for that date of the 31st of March, Monday. So this is the feature and the application we'll be creating. And you can also navigate to another year, another month. If you want to navigate to another year, you have to keep on clicking the right button. As you can see, that's what I've been doing. So you can select all tasks or just show a task for a specified date. At the moment there's no task for the 28th of September, but if you want to show all tasks for the whole year, then it shows all the tasks. So this is the actual feature that we'll be creating, which is coming out in a few weeks. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Also, drop a comment if there's a feature you'd love to see in the app so that we can build this app together.